Did you know that the world's largest treehouse took over 14 years to build and stands at a whopping 10 stories tall? Now, we won't be building anything quite so monumental, but today you'll learn how to create your own magical retreat amongst the trees. Tree houses, those whimsical shelters nestled high above the ground, have been capturing our imaginations for centuries. From simple platforms to intricate multi-story structures, they offer a unique blend of adventure, tranquility, and a return to our childhood dreams. They're not just for kids anymore either. Their charm and popularity have grown immensely, with many adults now seeking them out as serene hideaways or even as unique guest houses. Just imagine a cozy nook nestled amongst the branches, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle and immerse yourself in the rustling leaves and the melody of birdsong. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Now let's dive into the fascinating process of building a treehouse. The first step in building a treehouse is choosing the perfect tree. Now, this isn't as simple as pointing at a tree and saying, "That's the one." You need to make sure your tree is healthy, sturdy, and safe to build on. Here's what to look for. First, the tree must be mature and sturdy, capable of bearing the weight of your dream treehouse. Second, assess the tree's health. Look for signs of disease or decay, such as fungus, peeling bark, or dead leaves. A diseased tree isn't a safe choice. Also, consider the tree's position. Is it too close to other trees or buildings? Is it exposed to strong winds? These are factors that could affect your treehouse's safety and longevity. Remember, a perfect tree isn't just about size or shape. It's about strength, health, and location. Once you've found the perfect tree, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you've chosen your tree, it's time to design your treehouse. The design phase is where your treehouse begins to take shape. You'll want to consider the size, shape, and accessibility. How large can it be without overwhelming your chosen tree? What shape will best accommodate the tree's branches and roots? And how will you access your treehouse? A ladder, a rope, or perhaps a spiral staircase? These considerations are key to creating a treehouse that is not only safe, but also functional and visually appealing. It's essential to plan and sketch your design before building. This will give you a clear vision of what you're aiming for and will help you avoid any potential pitfalls down the line. Designing your treehouse can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. Consider adding windows for natural light, a balcony for a breathtaking view, or even a slide for a fun exit. With a solid design, you're ready to gather your building materials. Building a treehouse requires some specific materials and tools. First, you'll need quality lumber. This forms the backbone of your treehouse, providing the support and structure. Opt for pressure-treated wood to ensure longevity and resistance against the elements. Next up, we have the hardware. You'll need a variety of screws, nails, and bolts to hold everything together. Don't forget to include specialized treehouse fasteners, which allow for tree growth without damaging your structure. Now onto the tools. A sturdy ladder is essential for reaching your workspace. A hammer, saw, and drill will be your best friends throughout the building process. These tools will help you cut, shape, and secure your materials. A measuring tape is crucial for precise cuts and alignments, while a level ensures your treehouse won't be lopsided. Safety gear, including gloves and safety glasses, are non-negotiables to protect you during construction. With all your materials and tools ready, it's time to start building. Now comes the exciting part, building the treehouse. Let's break this down into simple, manageable steps. First things first, we start with the base. This is the foundation of your treehouse, and it needs to be sturdy. Use your largest pieces of lumber to create a stable platform. Attach it securely to the tree using bolts. Remember, safety first. Once the base is secure, it's time to build the floor. Lay down your planks, keeping them close together for maximum stability. Nail each plank down firmly, ensuring there's no wiggle room. Voila, you've got a floor. Next up, we're building the walls. Start with the frames. 4 posts for each wall should do it. Attach your frames to the base and to each other, ensuring they're level. Once the frames are up, you can attach your wall panels. Remember to leave space for windows to let in natural light. Now let's talk about the roof. This is what will keep you dry during those unexpected rain showers. You'll want to create a sturdy frame similar to the wall frames and then attach your roofing material. This could be anything from traditional shingles to a tarp, depending on your design. Once your roof is on, it's time for the finishing touches. Install your windows and door, add a ladder for access, and don't forget to sand down any rough edges to prevent splinters. You might even want to add a coat of paint or stain for a personalized touch. Lastly, it's time for the safety check. Walk around your treehouse, testing every part for stability. Make sure there are no loose nails or screws, and that everything is secure. This is your castle in the sky, and it needs to be safe. And there you have it, your very own treehouse. This isn't just a structure, it's a labor of love, a testament to your creativity and dedication. And trust me, the joy and pride you'll feel every time you gaze up at your handiwork, well, it's indescribable. Now go, enjoy your new treetop retreat. Building a treehouse can be a rewarding project that gives you a unique space to relax and enjoy nature. We've journeyed together through the process of choosing the perfect tree, designing your treehouse, gathering materials and tools, and finally building your dream treehouse. Each step is a critical part of the process. Remember, selecting the right tree is not only about aesthetics, but also about safety and longevity. Your design should reflect your personal style and accommodate the tree's features. Gathering the right materials and tools will ensure a smooth construction process and a sturdy final product. Never forget the importance of planning and adhering to safety measures. This will not only protect you during the building process, but will also ensure the treehouse is safe for use. So there you have it, your guide to building your own treehouse. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects. Happy building!